Today, the two greatest AIs the world has ever seen will go head to head to see who can create the best Plants vs. Zombies clone in just 1 hour. So up first is ChatGPT, and I started off by generating all of the art. Bro, this might be a little bit too accurate to a pea shooter. All right, now let's do the sunflower. Okay, I guess this works. All right, now let's do the walnut. Ooh, I like what it did with this one. All right, and then the last plant we're gonna be doing is the cherry bomb. This is like the least accurate from the original, I feel like. So that'll be the 4 plants we're gonna use. And now let's do the zombies. This is like 1-to-1, besides the fact that it's missing a shoe. All right, the conehead zombie is complete. All right, the last sprite we're gonna generate is the background. All right, here's the background it gave us. Very simple and clean. I guess this works. So I had ChatGPT give me this big prompt for the game. And when I press this, I'm gonna activate the timer. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, the timer has been started. So it's telling me to create a new 2D Unity project. I already did that right here. I'm gonna follow these steps real quick for the UI. All right, now I'm gonna drag in all these sprites. Start off with the background. Scale it up a little bit. It wants us to create 4 buttons for each plant. All right, here we go. We have the UI set up so that we can buy the plants and their costs and everything. We have our sun counter right here. So let's go on to the next step now that that's complete. Next step is to create a grid. Copy this, paste this code, add the script to that. All right, now it wants us to create the plant prefabs. All they need is a box collider and their script. Start off with a pea-shooter. That might be a little too big. Scale them down a little bit. Box collider, 2D. There we go, that's chilling. Now I just gotta find the pea-shooter script. Here it is. Copy this code, paste it in. All right, so now we just need to drag the pea-shooter script onto it. Dude, I forgot to make the pea sprite for the pea-shooter, so with nothing to shoot right now. I'm gonna generate that real quick. All right, here's the pea. I mean, that is one good looking pea if I do say so myself. All right, now I have it in the game. I just need to make sure it's sized correctly to be, you know, like coming out of his mouth. Ayo. Okay. Just lower that a little bit. That's a good size. Also need to give it a rigid body 2D and a box collider 2D. Yeah, that's a trigger. Okay. All right, now that we got the pea shooter done with its projectile, we can move on to the sunflower. And we can copy this code and then paste it on. Drag in the sunflower, give it the same scale as the sunflower. I mean, as the pea shooter. There we go. And I'll give it a box collider and then drag the sunflower script onto it. And we have 35 minutes left. That's kind of crazy. 25 minutes already went by and I've done like nothing pretty much besides just like setups and stuff in the scene. Okay, I need to speed up a little bit here. All right, now for the walnut. Copy, paste. Now we only have one more plant to go, which is the cherry bomb. Paste that in. All right, so now that we have all of these plants ready to go with all the scripts and colliders attached, we can move on to the zombies. I just decided to do all the other scripts at once because it's kind of annoying going back and forth. So now we actually just got to do the zombie. The zombie needs a rigid body, box collider, zombie script,
and the zombie tag.
I think we're done. Let me just make sure I did all the steps. And all this. It just stopped generating the text. So I don't know what that's about. But we should be like good here. I'm just going to make these zombies prefabs. I think the game is complete. We haven't even tested it yet. That's kind of jokes. All right, let's give it a play. Let's see. I can't place anywhere. I must have forgotten to set something up. And why are these zombies? What are these zombies doing? Game over. What? Okay, we gotta fix some stuff here. Wait, I think I figured out the problem. I forgot to put the UI manager script on each button, so the buttons like literally do nothing right now. I can't believe it. Okay, hold on. We got 5 minutes left.
So this should work.
I'm gonna select a sunflower. Yep, it gets placed right there. But the grid right now is totally messed up. The offset is just messed up because it goes based off of the center. All right, so I'm gonna try to fix this grid problem real quick by asking ChatGPT to update the script. All right, so it'll update the grid manager. Let me paste this in. We have 3 minutes left. Oh my gosh, wait, nah. Please. All right, let's see, grid tiles. Oh, that's perfect. perfect. That is perfect. I just gotta make sure the zombies spawn in properly. So the zombie should be able to spawn on each of these Johns. Oh, crud. They shouldn't be spawning there. 1 minute. Oh my gosh. This is the spawner script. Paste that. Let's give it a test. Come on, hurry up. 50 seconds left. There we go. There we go. That's good. But I was seeing that like the game ends when it's not even like off the screen. Yeah, the game ends right here. Oh, shoot. We're about to be out of time, aren't we? This is bad. No. Why is it set to -1? Bro, it's gotta be like over here. Oh my god. The timer's up. Okay, we were able to complete it within the time frame. Okay, I think the game actually might work now. Oh yeah. Doesn't look like this pea-shooter ever stopped shooting though. Okay, and the zombie's slightly off the screen. I think that's fine. Wait, how do I place cherry bomb? It didn't work. I don't think the cherry bombs work. Oh wait, did that one-shot it? I don't know. Now we're loaded up with sun. Let me try cherry bomb. Cherry bomb. Oh, it does work, but you can't like place it like right on it. This is awesome. This is so cool. Alright, well, this is ChatGPT Plants vs. Zombies. Oh, we won. I don't know how we won, but we won. Alright, now it's time for Grok. So we're going to start off with the image generation like we did with ChatGPT. We're going to start off with the pea-shooter. I don't know how I feel about these. Maybe try again there. Well, these all are trash, but this is what it made. So I guess I'm just going to have to go with this one. And then it was time for the sunflower. I don't know what's going on with this. It literally just copied this and made it yellow, and then it did that. Bro, what is up with why is it so obsessed with this one? Why is it I might need to make like a new chat or something, because it like keeps on using these ones. Okay, I mean, I can make this work. I think this one is okay. I'll have to crop it out from the background, but then I did the walnut. This is just like a regular. This one, that's pretty good. I actually like the style I used for this. Download that one. And it was time for the cherry bomb. I mean, I guess that's like a cherry bomb. It doesn't have like eyes or anything, so I'll try again. All right, this one will have to do. Now it's time for the zombies. I decided to give them shovels, which makes sense, I guess, but this one's better, even though it's not good. Still, it works. Conehead zombie. This is the conehead zombie. I guess it took that like literally, like it didn't know there was like a traffic cone and just conehead. Okay. Then it was time for the background, and I tried 3 different times until I stumbled across this one. And with that, we have all of our sprites and we can start working on the game. 1 hour timer ready, and then I'm gonna paste in the prompt for Grok, send it, and then start the timer. All right, so here's everything it gave me. It's actually pretty long. The first thing I'm gonna do is actually just paste in all of the scripts so I don't have to worry about that, and I can just get them all out of the way right now. And then I'll just like do what it tells me to do like down here and stuff. All right, so pasting everything took like 9 minutes. So now we can get started on the steps. All right, I think I'm done. I somehow only have 6 minutes left. I don't know what took me so long, but let's give it a play test. We have 50 sun at the start. I should be able to click this and oh shoot, I don't think I set up like placing plants yet. Okay, we can collect the sun that's falling. Zombie spawn. Why did they all spawn at the same time? Oh god. Okay, wait, this might be bad. Oh shucks. It seems as if I've forgotten a crucial step here. I forgot to make the grid with the tiles in it. And we have 4 minutes left. Oh god, okay. All right, so I have this tile. Now I have to make a 5x9 grid. And there we go. That's our entire grid. Let's test if it works real quick. Okay, press this, click here. Okay, it places, and then we gotta get rid of all of the sprite renderers, and then we're done, I think. Press this, place it there. Then we can collect the sun, and some zombies should be spawning soon. Oh, and then the sun spawned from there. Oh wait, why is there, I don't understand this. Why is there just like 3 of them? Bro, what? Oh no. Ugh, crap. No, does the pea not collide? Oh my god, I died. How much time we have left? 1 second. That's it. Well, it didn't finish in time. And the game is broken. Okay, now we should have a playable game. So let's do a little playthrough here. Man, I wonder if the cherry bomb works. I kind of doubt it. Let's get these ones spawning in. Does it just like auto shoot like all the time? That's what it's looking like. Why didn't I spawn 2 that time? Huh. I guess it's random. Alright, as long as we have a full line of these, we should be set. I wonder how hard the game gets though. I wonder how fast it ramps up in difficulty. Oh god, I need a pea-shooter here. Where's the sun at? It's off the screen. No, I actually placed one right there. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm cooked. GG's. Okay, let me try one more time. Wanna? Oh my god, it doesn't block it because I didn't even put a collider on it. No, no. Oh my gosh, this game is just too much fun. Let me know which game you guys think is better. Me personally, I think the Grok version is just better in every aspect. Make sure you like and subscribe because I'm trying to hit 20,000 subscribers. So, thank you.
What? No, dude!